Today's topic is unique topic. So I would like to talk about AI. Does AI replace designers or not? We'll dive deeper into this topic. So how can the future 5 year will be? As you know, AI is growing. So as a designer or as an engineer, what we will have to do when we are talking about AI and designers. The, so this research, I researched so many things. So I prepared myself for this topic. So what will we be happen in the next 5 years? As a designer, you should know how to use AI to integrate your design with AI. So the first thing, as a designer, you should also have to learn how to how prompt works. This is my advice for you. So when we come to the prompt and how we can use it, for example, if you need to draw a circle, then if you need to do something like floor plan or mechanical design or something else, you can automatically type for the AI in which distance, in which uh, the prompt will work for you. The rest will be easy. So as you can see, this AutoCAD 2021 is the latest version of AutoCAD. Uh, in the next few years, there will be a prompt section in the AutoCAD. So the prompt will do the work for us. So many designers maybe will lose their jobs. So what we have to do instead of losing our job, we have to learn how prompt works. So in reality, the engineers will not be like so engineers will not be replaced with AI railroad, but in the design part, if someone is professional design, so the way to access these prompts will be recommended. So if you know how to prompt plus design anything, you can be part of the revolution. Otherwise, you are not be that kind of person. So you end up you end up losing your job. So what I have to think about the next 5 year about AI. For example, if I have, for example, purpose, if I have this room, this type of room, so I can write for the AI what to do. So the AI will work everything. For example, I can prompt the AI to do the floor plan in this rectangle. So the AI will do the work for me. If there is a partition, I can tell him what to do. So the AI will work for me. So prompting is the first thing you have to learn as a designer. I highly recommend you to put your works in prompt engineering. So we will dive more deeper in the course. I will be using more prompts from now on. So as an engineer, you should know how to use the AI. So the truth is, AI will not replace you, but the person who know how to use AI will. Don't fear the change. Use it like pro. You have to know how to use AI, how to prompt, how to write prompt. So my advice is this is my last advice. So subscribe for more information. Thank you for listening. This is the beginning of our course. I will dive deeper on how to use the AutoCAD plus other AI tools to more fast our projects or our work. So you'll be the first to use AI with your work. Thank you for listening. Sorry for my words. Thank you for listening. Subscribe for more.